What's going on, everyone? Thank you for joining me on Jupiter's World. Today we are currently at Franco's place, home of the original Panzarotti, and they got this new thing here called the Gobbler Panzarotti. But I ain't never had a gobbler though, you know? This is just in time for the season. Let's check it out. So I ain't never had a Gobbler Panzarotti, so that's what I'm gonna do today. I'm going to do a Gobbler Panzarotti. What's up? What up? That's right there. Right on cue, right on cue. What's good? What up? Oh man, the myth, the legend. I only came here because they had one thing on the menu. That was the Gobbler Panzarotti. If you don't know what a gobbler is, it has two meanings, right? We're not gonna go into the other meaning. We're not gonna talk about the hot gobbler. This is the other gobbler, you know what I mean? A gobbler is pretty much a Thanksgiving meal inside of like a sandwich or something like that. So it's like stuffing, you know what I mean? Like turkey, gravy, you know? And traditionally a Panzarotti is mainly just cheese and sauce, you know? But they tricked me out because they have a freaking hot gobbler here, you know what I mean? Wawa has a hot gobbler, so it's always good. It's always good to know. It's always good to see, you know, these shops changing it up and doing something new. You know what I mean? You always got to go with the times. But if you've never been to Franco's is nice. It's wide open. They got, you know what I mean, windows all around. So they'll let in some nice natural lighting. I got my man Cal here. What's up, Cal?
What's up, man?
Cal right here. He don't eat chicken no more. Out of nowhere, Cal. If Cal known for anything, Cal known for eating chicken.
Yeah.
And out of the blue, he said, I just gave up eating chicken. I'm like, why? He's like, I just want to test my body. I'm like,
just isolating. That's all. Just seeing what's what.
Cal doing the most for no reason.
Hey.
And we got Ms. here who don't know his name. The girl asked for his name. She was like, anything else? No, that's it. Can I get a name? He looked at me like give her your name.
I said, what your name? It could have went in. I was gonna say some unique name or something like that, man.
Why I gotta be that deep? She just needed a name for the order. He looking at me like she's the FBI, the feds or something like that. Like,
What's my name? What's my alias?
he's like,
Let me think of something.
I ordered the Gobbler. Gotta try the Gobbler out. And I also ordered the Inferno. Whenever a restaurant has anything that's sort of spicy, they claim to be spicy, I'm up for the challenge. And one day I'm gonna really pay the price because they might set me up. They might give me the hottest pepper ever known to man. And be like, we're gonna serve it to this guy because he always want to order and try it out. I ain't no punk. I got that old school body. I got that old school, you know, old school intestines. You know what I'm saying? I ain't no Sally with my sauces. You know what I mean?
Me neither.
Yeah, right. This guy right here, he be thinking the jug handle wings are hot. I thought Buffalo Wild Wings is hot.
No, I just ain't wanted their night, man.
Do we have to rewind the episode? Buffalo Wild Wings, when you had it?
I had more than he did, I think.
Man, you always say you had more than me. We had the same. Actually, I had more than you. And when we went to the jug handle, I still had more than you.
Can't put my hands up right now, y'all. So y'all notice I like to talk with my hands. I can't put my hands up because I have this thing. Oh, because I wash my hands like that. Because you know some sick mugs in this world, man. People sick, and I ain't got no lotion. Look at this thing. Y'all ready? Oh, wow. Yeah, look like I was slap boxing a bag of flour, man. You know what I'm saying? Hey, y'all can roast my hands all y'all want, man. I'm all roast my hands.
Them hands look bad, man.
Hey, man, I had lotion in the bathroom. I roasted these.
Look like if you slap yourself, it'll be a hate crime. That's how bad the hands look right now. The Turkey Gobbler right here. We going for the Gobbler first?
Yeah, we're gonna go Gobbler first.
Gobbler first. All right, let's do the Gobbler. Ain't this a beautiful thing right here? Look at that. So beautiful, man. So I'm just gonna crack it open. I don't know what's flaky over there. The Panzarotti crust or Mrs. Hands.
Hey, I'm hoping the grease get on there and I can use that grease for some lotion.
Yo, I'm gonna be straight up real with you. I don't think I ever had Franco's now. Maybe. Do I need a knife for this? Damn, look at that.
Wow.
Y'all see that turkeyness? Y'all see, oh, look at the cranberry though. Okay, I see you doing your thing.
Okay.
Y'all see that? And we got the gravy too. What? We're gonna pour the gravy all up in there. That's what we're doing. Cheers, Missy Bone. Cheers. You wanna take a picture of this too? And first bite, here we go, y'all. Turkey Gobbler at Franco's. You ready for this, Miz?
Ready, I was born ready.
Alright, I'm gonna do this side. Cheers.
Give me this side. Cheers, brother.
Cheers, cheers, y'all. Cheers.
Cheers.
It tastes like Thanksgiving.
Straight up Thanksgiving.
Yo, I dreamed about this all day, yo.
It tastes like fried Thanksgiving. You know, y'all have fried turkey? This is what it is right here. This is it, y'all.
Yo, I dreamed about this all day long. I was at work. My co-workers, I'm like, yo, only thing I want Thanksgiving is a turkey gobbler.
Y'all hear that crunch?
I'm here. Yeah.
You get the crunchiness of the Panzarotti. The turkey is fabulous. The stuffing is fabulous. The gravy, the sweetness of the gravy mixed all up in there.
Cranberry sauce.
Cranberry sauce. It's like straight up. We need to have this more often, man.
Yo.
This is the first time you ever heard of the Panzarotti Gobbler? I never heard of it before.
First time I heard of it.
Well done, Francos. Well done.
We ain't got a napkin on over here?
Yeah, right here.
Being overrun by cheese.
It's a good thing.
Yeah.
If your hands ain't messy like this, if your mouth ain't messy,
Look.
yo, we should do a challenge, right?
Look.
Who can eat a Panzarotti Gobbler with the gravy inside their car with one napkin?
I can't, but look at my hands now, though.
They moisturized.
Like they moisturized.
They're moisturized now from the grease.
And that's a good moisture.
This is one of the best turkey, the best like holiday things you can do at Franco's, honestly. If you're looking for something different, come to Franco's and get you a Panzarotti Gobbler.
Yo, we're up for a limited time, too, for the holidays. I got some Santa Claus to come here, yo.
When I found out about the Gobbler, I'm like, what type of sauce are they using in that? So it looks like they just stuff the dough with the turkey, cranberry and stuffing, and they have the gravy on the side. That's pure genius, man. You gotta think outside the box.
Yep.
What is y'all fondest memory of Thanksgiving dinner?
My fondest memory of Thanksgiving dinner ain't even on Thanksgiving. My fondest memories of Thanksgiving dinner, it was the first time I had a leftover sandwich.
The best, ain't it?
Yo.
Leftover sandwiches are the best, dude.
Put everything on there, macaroni and cheese, turkey, ham. But you gotta toast your bread and then put some Miracle Whip on that mug. Put some raw onions on there, cheese. Stack it up.
Fondest memory.
Fondest, funniest. It don't matter.
First time I tried fried turkey, deep fried turkey. Put that joint in a vat of oil that had to be about 4 feet tall. Dumped the turkey down in there. You ain't never had fried turkey? But no, I guess everybody had fried turkey.
Everybody had fried turkey.
Yeah. Amazing.
Fried turkey was new maybe what, like 10 years ago or something like that?
Yep. I'm gonna do this too.
Nasty. I can't even look that way the way he's doing that over there.
Yeah, that's a little suspect. Oh, come on, man. What? X-rated, man. What's going on? Okay.
I told you to breathing in all that ash from your hands when you eat.
Oh, man.
You got a, what do you call it, asbestos on his hands?
Take that.
Yo, that's bad if you got his... Yo. Oh, man. Yeah, you got a problem if it's like that.